full of people, huh? They're swimming.
Dami nagsuswimming ah.
Yeah, it's a good time for swimming.
Mga burlis na sila. Dati hindi. Mga ano yan. Before you cannot do that here. After maybe. Look at they all look like pregnant.
It's from the Caps effect.
Comes in. They're like gonna deliver tomorrow.
It's Caps effect.
Ang tsogi pala ng jowa ni ano no?
Anong tsogi?
Ang gwapo.
Saan?
Ni Ate Karen.
Ay, oo.
Totoo kaya yun o baka in-scam lang siya?
Nakaka-video call niya yan.
Oh, tigsag ba yun? Totoo na itong
Ewan ko, yun man daw
Oh,
sa
the
Pinas.
Oh.
Eh, ewan.
Move.
Damo.
But it's only restaurant at coffee shop.
Yeah,
And outdoor, not indoor, right?
yeah.
Ano gagawin natin dito?
Nagpasyal lang.
Picture ka lang eh. Video.
Gusto mo sakay tayo na ano?
Meron din magkano?
Mura lang.
Mama, baka sumuka ako.
Ay,
Para klasin niya pagbababa ako.
We can rent it one day. No, next time. So I can fish.
Sunod na lang damang isda tayo. I told my baby I'm gonna throw up. Oh, parang shock. Suka ng suka pagdating sa bahay.
Why?
huh?
Oh, so you keep throwing up. You go to the sea and your friends was laughing at you. Oh,
Why?
so me, I'm gonna be like that. Kay Ma'am Alon.
Oh?
Slow down.
Waves.
It was too much that time.
It's gonna be the moon. That works. Gusto mo magkape ma? You can just drop us here. Go there.
Hmm?
So I'm gonna put it's gonna stint in the car. Ayan, taba niyo. Ayan, masarap.
Ayan, nandito na kami.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sit.
Hmm.